Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to upload designs in Canva. First, navigate to the Uploads tab in the editor's side panel. This is your central hub for bringing external content into your Canva projects. You can upload various file types, including images, videos, and audio. It's a straightforward process that expands your creative possibilities significantly. There are two primary methods for uploading your files. The quickest way is to simply drag and drop your desired images, videos, or audio files directly from your computer into the Canva editor. Alternatively, you can click the prominent Upload Files button, which opens a file browser. Both methods are efficient and allow you to bring in multiple assets at once. Once uploaded, your files are conveniently stored in your Uploads folder, accessible across all your designs. This means you only need to upload a file once to use it repeatedly. You can easily search for specific assets using keywords, saving you time. Regularly organizing your uploads by deleting unused items helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace. After uploading, incorporating your designs into your project is simple. Just click on an uploaded image, video, or audio file, and it will appear on your canvas. You can then drag and drop it to your desired position. Canva allows you to fully customize these elements, including resizing, cropping, and applying various effects, giving you complete creative control over your unique designs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.